Hello everyone, welcome on my educational channel. So today we are going to talk about trains. So have you ever traveled by trains? Or did you visit the rail station? If you did, you know that there are some kind of trains, passenger trains and cargo trains. So let's to read and watch to know a little bit more. You see how many trains are there? Yeah. Okay. So there are three types of trains. Of trains. Sorry. The first one is the first train. Yeah. The first trains built around 200 years ago were powered by steam engines. Yeah, steam engines. So here is signals which tell drivers when it's safe to go. Trains push along railway tracks, carrying passengers between stations or cargo in wagons. Yeah, here is a cargo train. See? Freight trains, full wagons loaded with bulky cargo. Let's see what is inside. Most freight trains have big engines powered by diesel, a type of fuel. Yeah, diesel engine. You see? Okay, let's open another. Tank wagons transport liquids or gases. Flat wagons carry large objects such as cars. Yeah. Open wagons carry heavy things such as rocks. So there are three kinds of wagons. Yeah, open. Yeah, which can carry heavy things. Flat wagons. Yeah, which carry large objects such as cars, for example, and tank wagons. Yeah, for transportation, liquid or gases. Okay. And this one is a passenger train. Yeah, passenger train. Passenger trains are made up of several coaches linked together. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and more. Yeah, coaches. Yeah, here we have wagons, but here we have coaches. Some trains go overnight. Passengers sleep in cabins. And here is the driver controls the train from a cap at the front, yeah? It's a cap for drivers, yeah? He is. And he can control and run the train, yeah? Off we go! He uses buttons and levers to speed up the train or open and close its doors. Okay. Okay. So we talked today about three kinds of trains. The first train, yeah, which was steam engine trains, yeah, and modern trains. Yeah, and modern trains are passengers and cargo. Yeah, cargo we use for transport things. Yeah, and passengers we use for for passengers. Yeah, carry passenger train or trains. Yeah, carry passengers, and cargo trains carry things, and they carry different things. Yeah, they can carry cars, stones, yeah, gas, liquid, etc. Okay. Was it interesting for you? Hmm? If this kind of information was interesting and useful for you, put a like and subscribe. Yeah. If you want to keep up with new videos. Bye bye for now. See you soon.